Hello traders, welcome back to another channel. I wanted to kind of shake it up a little bit. I've been doing some trade recap videos, but today I wanted to drop some educational content for you guys. This setup is one of the key things that I look for in trades. I do not take a single trade without this setup. I've learned this look, this setup, this pattern from master traders who I've been sitting under. I've been mentoring with them for 2 years now, over 2 years. They do not take a single trade without this setup, and neither do I. Looking forward to the video. I hope you like it. Without further ado, let's hop right in to the banker candle. All right, let's hop right into this thing. Banker candles. You can see on the screen here, I have banker candles. There we go. Banker candles, order blocks, institutional candles, and a breaker candle. All the same thing, different names for the same thing, right? Okay, that's pretty simple to understand. I think you guys got that. Like I said in the intro, I personally do not get into any trades without this happening right here. I know a lot of smart money traders, ICT traders, and all my mentors don't enter trades without a setup, including the banker candle, a liquidity block, institutional candle, breaker candle, order block, all the same thing, okay? I think we got that now. It's all the same thing, different names, okay? So here we go. Basically, let me simplify this really, really easy. It's already a simple subject. I'm going to make it even easier, or try to at least. What we have here are candles. What we have here is price going up, okay? Banker candle is the last down candle before an up move. Price comes back to it. Last down candle goes up, down, impulses. See how it just retraces back to the candle, right? That's a banker candle. It's the last candle that's down before an up move that happens, okay? Same for if you're selling. It's the last up candle before a down move, all right? Now I know you're saying, Zion, you've drawn this chart. Clearly, this is not a real chart, right? Okay, let's hop into a real chart and I'll show you some examples of banker candles, okay? Let's start with, let's just do, I guess, this down leg of Euro USD on the 1 hour. I also want to mention this banker candle setup works in all asset classes, all markets, Forex market, crypto market, indices, metals. I'm missing one. Stocks, obviously, duh. Stock market. This is found, it's amazing. It's incredible how this setup is found all over the place. Now, what you want to do, you don't really want to take trades just based on a banker candle. If you're learning, that's a great idea. If you want to trade on a demo account and test it, great idea. If you're an experienced trader, you want your entry model to line up. This is a great thing to include in your trade plan, okay? So let me clarify that out there. So here we go. Let's hop into this video explanation, okay? Right here, last up candle, this blue candle before this impulse down. It's as simple as that. That's it. Okay, let's find another one. You see price kind of came back up to it, almost got it. You can kind of include that wick maybe. Oh, whoops. If you include this wick right here, there you go. Okay, a simpler way to locate it is just look for an impulse. This is a huge impulse down. Trace it back. Where'd that impulse come from? Oh, right here. This area, this order block, this banker candle. Price came back up, almost got into it, broke more structures, came back up to it. Now it tagged it. I guess it tagged it right there too, immediately after. This is on the 1 hour Euro USD, right here as you can tell. Busted down, came up, tagged it beautifully. Let's look for another one. Doesn't always come back up to it. A lot of the times it does. Let's see right here. This is more of an order block. This whole area right here. Price came back up to it. Bang, dropped right back down. Here we go again. Basically, all I'm doing, guys, is just looking for impulses. Okay? Impulse. I'm looking, where did it originate from? Right here. Came back up, tagged it beautifully, dropped like a rock. And you can just crush order flow trades with these banker candles. Look at this right here, another one. Last area, okay? Bang, came right back up to it. Sorry, my light just flickered. This is just, it's just a really, really powerful tool to have in your trading belt. I don't want to trade without it. You don't want to trade without it. You can clearly see that this is working beautifully, right? Impulse, where did the impulse come from? Came back up, kind of right to the area, a little bit of padding you got in. Bang, it just drops. Let's look for some buys. Here we go. Let's look at this little leg right here. Euro USD, right here. Impulse up. See that beautiful impulse? Now we wait. We set our thing there, array there. We set an alarm, wait for price to come back in the area. You can set a pending order. You can drop down a lower time frame. Look for your entry model that you want to use, but these help you recognize really powerful areas that price retraces back down into, and it's incredible how powerful this is. Okay, let's look for another impulse. Impulse up. It blew through that one, which is fine. Okay, right there. It looks like it kind of came into this little order block area right here. Just the area that price returned to, and you set alarms on these areas, wait for price to come in, and it's money how it works. Okay, right here, nice impulse up. Where did it come to? This area, this candle, this order block. Okay, it went back up. Now, why does this work so well? This works so well because what happens is when banks create this banker candle, what they're doing is when they are making this candle right here, they are putting in sell orders and they are in drawdown this entire time, meaning their account is negative, right? The bank's account is negative because they push this down, getting this huge impulse up, and they have to come back to get their money because there's money, liquidity sitting right above this. That's all their money, the bank's money they've put in there to push this candle down. Impulse up, comes back down to get their money out, and then it takes off to the races. See? Another, this one didn't quite have one. Maybe on a different time frame it had one, but it just retraced, right? It's what you're looking for. Impulse retracement, impulse retracement. And you get in on those retracements to the banker candle. Here's another one right here, right? Impulse, retracement to this area. I identify that area, and there you go. A powerful, powerful tool to have in your belt. You don't want to take any more trades without using the banker candle. So yeah, that is the banker candle. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you got some value out of this free training. Let me know if you want some more of these. I encourage you guys, ask questions, drop a comment, go back test this for yourself, and let me know the success that you're finding with it. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you want me to cover next. All right, I know a lot of smart money concepts. I know several different entry models. Let me know. Drop a comment. Shoot me a message on Instagram. I have Facebook. You go to Instagram, zion.trades. I'll try to put it up on the screen. I'm not a great editor. I'm editing my own videos. Give me grace. All right. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, see you later.